This is Alan Bush with ADMIS. In the stock index futures, we are seeing prices a little bit lower now, even though we did have home price numbers coming in better than expected. Countering this, though, was a very poor consumer confidence report coming in at a 9-month low. This took futures lower. We are continuing to believe that this market is near a near-term top, with futures not responding to bullish news that we have had for the most part over the last couple of days. Of course, consumer confidence, a bit of a negative coming out at 9 o'clock this morning. We also believe that the likelihood of easier credit from the Fed is for the most part factored into current pricing. So if you have any leftover longs in the stock index futures, I think this is a good time to liquidate. Over in the foreign currencies, better prices in the euro currency as Spain sold more bills at their auction today than had been anticipated. So a well-received Treasury auction from Spain. Also, we have ideas that the ECB is in the planning phase of some type of new support package as far as buying Italian and Spanish debt. Our feeling is that they probably will not be able to buy enough debt to actually turn the situation around. Any new support package from the ECB in any form is likely to be a selling opportunity in the euro currency, even though we have seen better prices over the last couple of weeks. In the Australian dollar and the Canadian, we're seeing a pattern of spreaders buying the Canadian dollar, selling the Australian dollar. This worked yesterday, it's working again today. The feeling is that Canada is likely to outperform the Australian dollar, basically since Australia is so close geographically to the economic weak areas of the Eurozone and Asia, while Canada is enjoying the relatively better economy in North America. So I would expect the Australian dollar to continue to lose ground to the Canadian dollar. Over in the credit markets, good gains today, especially with the consumer confidence number coming in as weak as it did. This is a rather shocking number. We still feel that the fundamentals are lined up for the bullish side of the credit markets. We are likely to see easier credit, not just from the Fed, but from the European Central Bank as well. We are also likely to see a continued flight to quality if the problems in the Mideast continue. So nothing has really changed in the long-term outlook for the credit markets. We continue to look for further gains. Once again, these are my opinions alone and are not the opinions of ADMIS or Archer Daniels Midland.